Want better fuel economy? More power? A cleaner engine? The secret lies in what you put in your tank. Today, we're breaking down the 3 additives that will make your car last twice as long. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which additives are worth your money and which ones are just hype. Let's dive in. 1. Oil additive. Your engine is like the heart of your car, pumping oil through hundreds of moving parts. But over time, heat and friction wear down those parts, leading to sludge buildup, metal grinding, and reduced performance. The result? A weaker engine that won't last as long as it should. But here's the game changer: a high-quality oil additive, such as liquid moly Ceratec, can protect your engine from the inside out. Oil additives work by reducing metal-to-metal contact, forming a slick protective layer that prevents wear and tear. They also help clean out sludge deposits, which means your engine stays cleaner and runs smoother for years to come. Using an oil additive is as easy as pouring it into your engine oil during an oil change. No mechanical skills required. Just one small bottle could add thousands of miles to your engine's life, saving you from a costly rebuild. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer, Liqui Moly Ceratec, and Arc Oil AR9100 are the most effective oil additives that you can use. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer is a thick, viscous additive that increases oil film strength, making it especially useful for high-mileage engines suffering from oil consumption or low oil pressure. Liqui Moly Ceratec is a ceramic-based additive that creates a protective barrier on metal surfaces inside the engine, reducing wear and tear. This barrier reduces metal-to-metal contact, which lowers engine noise and improves fuel efficiency. Arc Oil AR9100 is another highly effective oil additive, particularly for diesel engines, as it contains friction modifiers that smoothen engine operation and reduce lifter noise. 2. Fuel System Cleaner. Your car runs on fuel, but over time, carbon deposits build up in the fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chamber. This gunk chokes your engine, causing sluggish acceleration, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even engine knocking. If your car feels like it's lost power over the years, this might be the culprit. But don't worry, there's a simple fix. A fuel system cleaner is like a detox for your engine. Additives like Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus use powerful detergents to break down these deposits, restoring lost power and improving throttle response. The result? More power, smoother acceleration, and even better gas mileage. Experts recommend using a fuel system cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles to keep your car running at its peak. It's one of the easiest ways to reverse years of buildup and get back that like-new performance. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant, Royal Purple Max Boost, and Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus are the top quality fuel system cleaners available in the market. 3. Transmission additive. Did you know that transmission repairs can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000? And that most transmission failures happen because of fluid breakdown? That's right. Just like engine oil, transmission fluid can degrade over time, causing slipping gears, rough shifts, and eventual failure. But there's an easy way to keep your transmission in top shape for decades. A high-quality transmission additive, such as Lubiguard ATF Protectant, keeps your fluid fresh by restoring lost lubrication, reducing heat buildup, and preventing wear on internal components. These additives also condition old transmission fluid, preventing it from breaking down too quickly. Whether you drive an automatic or manual, this simple trick can add years to your transmission's life. There are multiple fluids available in market, but Seafoam TransTune, Lucas Transmission Fix, and Lubiguard ATF Protectant are the most effective ones. So there you have it. 3 simple additives that could literally double the life of your car. Want to keep your car running like new for decades? Then don't skip out on these simple tricks. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss another game-changing tip.